Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make a video collage in the CapCut mobile. So first you can start by clicking on the new project and then just select more than two videos to add into your collage. For example, here I'm going to select this four videos and you can just click on the collage button, and after that, so after you select the ratio and also the size of the collage, you'll be directed to this editing page and you can edit the video one by one. And you can also do, for example, add some color grading or add some effects to the video collage. And after you're done, you can just click on this arrow up to export the project. So guys, that's how you can easily create a video collage in CapCut. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye!